So now coming to the next question. Here what we have seen, average of first 5 multiples of 3. First 5 multiples of 3. So 5 multiples we have taken. Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Answer is coming as 9. Okay. Now coming to the next problem. What we have, the average of 11 numbers is 10.9. If the average of first 6 numbers is 10.5 and that of last 6 number is 11.4, the sixth number is, similar problem we have done in the previous. Okay, similar problem we have done in the previous case. I am leaving this to you. Average of 5 numbers is 20. Average of 5 numbers is 20. Okay, if each number is multiplied by 2, what will the new average? Okay, so average of 5 numbers is 20. So let us take X, Y, Z, P, Q be the 5 numbers. So average of these 5 numbers are sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. How many numbers we are adding? Okay, and already it is given average is 20. So X plus Y plus Z plus P plus Q divided by 5. So now sum of the 5 numbers. Sum of the 5 numbers, you cross multiply the 5. So we are having 100, sum of the numbers. Now, each number is multiplied by 2. In that case, what is the average? Okay, each number is multiplied by 2 means numbers will become 2x, 2y, 2z like that. Now coming to case 2. Okay, in case 2, so average is nothing but 2x, 2y, 2z, 2p, 2q. These are the numbers. But we are adding 5 numbers only. Okay. In that case, what will be the new average? What will be the new average? We have to get the value of the new average. I will take 2 common. Then we will have x plus y plus z plus p plus q. Okay. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. Already in the previous line, we are having sum of these numbers is 100. Sum of these numbers is 100. If you cancel with 5, that becomes 20. 20 into 2 is 40. So this is the new average when each number is multiplied with 2. This is the new average when each number is multiplied with 2. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. The average marks of Suresh in 10 papers. Average marks of Suresh in 10 papers is 80. Okay. If the highest and lowest scores are not considered, the average is 81. Okay. If his highest score is 92, find the lowest. So first what we will do, he is attending 10 papers. Okay, 10 papers and the average in 10 subjects is nothing but 80, which means sum of the marks in 10 numbers divided by number of quantity. Sum of the quantity by number of the quantity. Okay. So now sum of the marks in 10 papers is nothing but 80 into 10. So sum of the marks in 10 subjects is nothing but 800. Sum of the marks in 10 subjects is nothing but 800. Okay. So here what is done? If the highest and lowest marks are not considered, so let us assume X be the highest mark in one of the subject, Y be the lowest mark in another subject. Okay. So now what we are doing, in sum of 10 subjects marks, we are subtracting highest and lowest. We are subtracting highest and lowest. Okay. If the highest, lowest are not considered, then the average will be 81. So only 8 subjects we are having. 8 subjects we are having now when we remove those 2 marks, highest mark, lowest mark. When we remove, only 8 subjects are there. Sum of the 8 subjects in numerator divided by number of quantities. Now the average is 81. They are telling in the question, now the average is 81. Okay. So already we know sum of the 10 subjects is 800 minus x minus y, okay, equal to 81 into 8. 81 into 8. Now x plus y value is nothing but 800 minus, what is 81 into 8? 8 and 64. Now x plus y value, it is 152. 152. Okay. So x and y are the highest and lowest mark. Already in the question they have given highest mark is 92. X value is 92. So y value we are supposed to find. Okay, total is 152. So y value is nothing but 60 marks. Y value is nothing but 60. Okay, lowest mark is y. We have assumed y is the lowest mark. So answer is 60. We have to put pen on paper, only then we will come up with some answer. Okay, so just I will. When a new woman replaces one of the old women whose weight is 65 kg. Okay, when a new woman replaces one of the old women weighing 65 kg, average increases by 2.5. Find the weight of the new woman weight we have to find. Find the weight of the new woman. So old woman who is getting replaced is 65 kg. Okay, so case 1. Case 1, there are 8 people. Case 1, there are 8 people. When average of 8 women is done, okay, average of 8 women is done. So let us assume it as x. X is the average. Okay. Now this is case 1. So I am taking 8 women case 1. Okay, 8 women case 1. Now second time what is happening? Average of 8 women in case 2. Average of 8 women in case 2. What is happening here? This is nothing but sum of 8 women in first case divided by 8. Sum of 8 women in first case divided by 8. Okay. In the second case, what is happening? In the sum, okay, of 8 women, sum of 8 women, 65 kg woman is removed and one new woman is added. 65 kg, one woman is replaced with a new woman whose weight is y. But the total number of, okay, total number of people is nothing but 8 only. Total number of people is 8 only. Okay. Overall, what they are telling, in the second case, average is nothing but first case average plus 2.5. First case average plus 2.5. Average increases by 2.5. Okay. So now I will replace with the previous equations. Now I will replace with the previous equations. Try to solve for y value. Try to solve for y value. Okay. So second case, average is nothing but sum of 8 women in first case minus 65 plus y divided by 8. And in the first case, it is sum of 8 women divided by 8 plus 2.5. Okay. So now when you simplify this, what will happen? Sum of 8 women in first case, just I am replacing here. Average of 8 women, the entire fraction I am replacing. Average of 8 women, entire fraction I am replacing. This 2.5 as it is, it has come. Okay. So equation 1, equation 2, first line, second line, I have just put it here. Okay. So now 8 women minus 65, if I make LCM with 8 and cancel that 8 on both sides. Cancel that 8 on both sides. It will become 20. 2.5 into 8 is nothing but 20. Okay. So what I have done, both sides I have made LCM with 8 and I cancelled that 8. Okay. So further cancellation is possible. This term also will get cancelled. So what will happen? Y equal to 20 plus 65. Y value equal to 85. Okay. So new woman is this y. New woman is y. Okay. What we are assuming, let y equal to new woman weight. New woman weight. Okay. And we are step by step writing the sentence in terms of equation. I am going to next problem. Answer is 85. In this question, answer is 85. I am going to next problem. Average of Sohan marks in 6 subjects is 74. Average of Sohan marks in 6 subjects, it is 74. If his average in 5 subjects, excluding science, is 70. Excluding science is 70. Okay. So Sohan average of 6 subjects equal to 74, which is sum of 6 subject marks by 6. Okay. And from here, sum of 6 subjects mark is nothing but 74 into 6, which is sum of 6 subjects marks is 24, 2 and 44. Okay, 24, 2 and 44. 444 is the sum of 6 subject marks, which includes science also. Now, average of 5 subjects is done, removing science, it is 70. Okay, if you read the second sentence, Average in 5 subjects excluding science, his average mark is 70, which is sum of 5 subject marks by 5 subjects. Okay, sum of the quantity by number of the quantity. If you see sum of 5 subject marks, it is 70 into 5. So sum of 5 subject marks equal to 350. Equal to 350. Now that removed subject is science. Removed subject is science. So sum of 6 subject marks minus sum of 5 subject marks is the marks in science. Okay, marks in science. And if you subtract, it is 444 minus 350 equal to marks obtained in science. It is 94 marks obtained in science. 94 is the marks obtained in science. Okay. I'm going to the next problem. If the sum is 240 and average is 40. Sum is 240, average is 40. Okay. Find the number of quantities. Average, how we calculate? Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Sum of quantities by number of quantities. Okay. They have given average value and sum value. You have to find number of the quantities. Okay. So average value 240 is given and average is 40 given. Average is 40 given and the sum of the quantities is 240 and what is the number? What is the number of quantities? Okay. So number of quantities is nothing but 240 by 40, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 4 is also cancelled with 24 which becomes 6. So 6 numbers are averaged so that we are getting average as 40. I will just give I think this is the last problem. Yes, this is the last problem.